Today we will be installing STI engine mounts on my Subaru BRZ. Okay, the first step to remove the overpipe is take out these 17mm bolts right there. You'll need a wrench because it's too tight for a socket. So it looks like in order to get the engine mounts out, you have to take the headers off. So just take them off and then torque them back down to 25 foot-pounds. Is to support your engine from the oil pan with a block of wood, and then remove these 12mm bolts on both sides, and then you will remove the engine mount 14s, and you can lift the engine up and remove the mounts. Okay, the next step is to remove this bolt, that bolt, and then the engine bolts. They are 14. You can actually get this back one right here with a wobble socket and dropping an extension down through the steering rack. Now that we got our headers out, we can raise the engine up more, and we can pull the engine mounts out one at a time. Okay, I pulled out the OEM driver's side mount, and I matched it up with the STI engine mount. Make sure that you grab the correct one because they look similar, but the other one, they don't fit on the opposite side. Okay, now that we got our mounts to the block secured but not torqued down, we can lower the engine down into place and then put these bolts in, torque them, and then torque these. Okay, we have these and these all torqued down to 35 foot-pounds, and now we can put the header back on, connect the overpipe, and connect the front pipe.